Okay, I want you to hold that up again.
Hey, look.
That piece you cut out?
One more eye.
Daddy was a little overzealous in carving out the inside of the pumpkin and got really close to the outside.
That's the eye. That's the eye. Let's do another eye.
Let's try.
No, the knife is sharp.
I want this. I want this.
You're gonna cut.
Let me.
Get out of here! Don't film my bad parenting.
One more eye. One more eye.
This eye is way bigger than the other one because I'm very distracted right now.
Mommy can do the other one.
I want to make.
This will be a new reality show.
I can't get
Carving with toddlers. And that's how Tommy's hair got that way.
Me as a boom.
You put the eye in.
Can I have the spoon, please?
Go get the other spoon.
Okay. I'm a spoon.
Where's the spoon? You put it inside?
Jid. Tommy, get down, please.
I can't. I'm laughing.
What's that emergency number? 9.